Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.3% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Lithium prices have surged roughly 500% year over year, amid heightened electric vehicle demand, triggering a global race to find and extract more. The US dollar edged back towards September's multi-year highs as worries about rising interest rates and geopolitical tensions unsettled investors, while the yen hovered near the level that prompted last month's intervention. Cryptocurrency payments company Ripple Labs has formed new partnerships in France and Sweden, continuing its march into Europe despite the current wintry freeze enveloping much of the crypto industry.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 09:30 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 0900 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.